Welcome. Take a moment to settle into stillness. Close your eyes. Relax your body. This is your time. This is your space. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through the nose. Hold for a moment. Exhale gently through the mouth. Again, inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale fully, letting go. One more time. Inhale peace. Hold. Exhale and release all tension. Now, imagine yourself stepping through a portal into the Oasis. A place of calm, beauty, and possibility. You hear the gentle river flowing, birds singing softly around you. A sense of warmth and safety surrounds you. Here, you are free. Here, you are present. Here, you are whole. Now bring to mind one thing you feel grateful for today. It could be a person, an experience, or simply this moment. Allow gratitude to expand your heart. Feel it filling your chest, glowing like light. With each inhale, breathe in gratitude. With each exhale, let gratitude spread through your entire body. Now think of something you desire in your life. A dream, an opportunity, a new beginning. See it as if it's already here. Feel grateful for it now, in this moment. Allow that gratitude to magnetize it to you. Take one more deep breath in and let it out slowly. Know that you can always return to this oasis, this place of peace and gratitude, anytime you choose. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, roll your shoulders, and when it feels right, softly open your eyes. Carry this gratitude with you. Carry this light into the rest of your day.